Welcome to day 21. Let's get moving. Just first thing, hopefully for you, get a little stretch here. We're gonna do a few cardio exercises. See if we can't get the heart rate up, get the blood pumping, oxygen flowing, lose some of those feel-good chemicals. Short and sweet today, but maybe we're gonna amp up the intensity just a bit. Hopefully you're feeling it. I got my trusty chair here. It's there for you to use. You can modify every exercise we do. I'm gonna go at a pretty considerable clip, but you just do what's best for you. So number one, my favorite things to get the blood pumping. You can use your chair and so this is a modified mountain climber. Also, you can come to the ground to do it, and this obviously can be done at very different tempos. So just do what's best for you. You can really get going. Down here can be tricky first thing in the morning, possibly. But this I think of, if the idea is we're brewing our coffee and I just standing at my countertop, get the legs moving. And maybe I start to pick up the pace. Just start by starting. It's my theme today, as many of us and us are going to move just into a little shuffle. Many of us are thinking about New Year's resolutions, which I think could be great. Why not? Beautiful. Start the year right. But often we get jammed up and, how do I do it? How do I begin? No matter what you're doing, it sounds trite, but it really works. It's just start by starting. We don't have to know what the end result is, the destination. Whether it's a workout regimen, meditation, changing your diet, little twist. Just start by starting. Be prepared to make some mistakes along the way. Oops, this path didn't work. I'll go another way. As long as you get on the road, you stay on the road. You be successful, compound small actions over time. Just realize I'm not going to get it right. I'm going to fumble. No problem. Whatever you want to do, just start by starting. We overthink things. Nobody knows the exact way to do it, especially there's no one size fits all. We're all individuals. Find the way that works for you. Just stick with it. Oops, that didn't work. Try something different. Or it's difficult because we crave comfort. Maybe I just got to work through this a little bit. Just keep showing up day in and day out. And those resolutions, then they're going to start to stick. But just start by starting. We go a little bit faster. See if we can't get that heart rate up. All right. Oh, actually, so, depending on how you're feeling, my most favorite move in the whole world, chairs here. We can get the heart rate up doing this. Doing stuff from the chair, especially first thing in the morning, is brilliant. We're just trying to increase our mood, boost our energy. These short little workouts, that's what they're for. So if the chair just feels right, then sit and do it. I can also, hey, that was feeling good. I can also come up and I can do it this way. And this modified jumping jack is always available. This is what I mean by starting. There's a few different versions of this. I want to get fitter. So I want to do some cardio work. Just not quite sure what to do. Oh, okay. Well, I can start in the chair. I can modify a jumping jack. I can do a full jumping jack. You find it works for you, but it's getting over that initial hurdle of starting. All of a sudden, okay, this isn't so bad. I can do this. find what works for me. I can get tired. I'm like, oh, you know what? I think I just got to go back into my chair. I want to keep moving. But that wasn't working for me. Hey, noise. I can do it this way. Follow along, whether you're standing or in the chair, and just do what's best for you. How are you going to get feeling good, boost your energy this morning? Nothing that boosts my energy and elevates my mood like a little bit of movement. This is probably, so again, you could be doing this seated if you wanted. Just march. But for me, when I can add a bit of a skip, this just makes me happy. I love this movement. Childlike, remember, that's definitely one of my resolutions this year, is to regain and maintain, because I got a bit of childlike quality, I think, but I want to regain more of it. Be childlike, have more fun, not take myself so seriously. Work hard, honor everything I do, but do it with more wonder and awe, appreciation. We've got a lot less time than we think we do. Let's enjoy all of it. Pick up, come on. Ooh, this is nice. If you need to go to the chair and slow it down, do so. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna get this out of my way. So I just wanna, like I'm without the high knee running, and then I'm going to put a little squat. I'm gonna run and squat. Again, you could be in the chair, just moving your feet. You could be seated on the chair. Just come off the chair, do a little squat from the chair. Brilliant. Just want to get the heart rate really up today. Ready to tackle our day. And then today, if you haven't started, you're going to start by starting the evening walk after the last meal. 10 minutes outside. Do wonders. Boost metabolism. Aid in weight loss. Boost our mood. Help us sleep. Aids digestion after you've eaten. So many great things about that. Evening walk. And, oh, let's just hold it here for a second. Hold it. If you're on the chair, come off the chair a little bit. Hold it. Feel the burn. Own your suffering. Seek discomfort. Just breathe into it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, come on. Oh. You feeling warm? That's it for today. Nice and easy. Let's see. Yeah. I got to do more the cardio things. I think that we got to elevate our heart rate. There's some great information. Know this about dementia and exercise. 50% reduction rate for those that exercise. Incredible statistic. Move every day. But also take some time to be still, to focus. I'm definitely just going to focus on the beating of my heart for this minute. You do the same. Just bring all your attention to your heartbeat. Maybe send some gratitude. How often do we thank our heart for beating without us getting in the way? Gratitude to those things that just show up for us and happen, keep us alive. Just be. Notice the mind. The mind will wander. Oh, hey mind, you've wandered off to think about the baseball game I watched last week. Nope, come on back. Or what I'm going to have for dinner tomorrow. Or what's going to happen at Christmas. Oh, come on back, mind. And focus on my heart. The beating of it. Come back. I hope you're feeling as good as I am. That is amazing. Enjoy your day. Be productive. Be positive. Be joyful. I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.